Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got a package in the mail today from Thatspapsknife63. Roger, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I always appreciate the stuff you send me. Feels like Christmas today, so really looking forward to seeing what's in here. So let's check it out. All right, guys, let's get this going. I'm gonna open it with a old timer pocket knife that Roger gave me last year sometime. So let's see what's in here. Okay, there's a note in here. I don't know if I'm going to read it out loud or not. I think I'll probably just read this for myself a little later. But yeah, I'll read this a little later to myself. And thank you. Oh wow! Oh my goodness! Look at this! Look at this Bucklite. Ooh, that's a nice little lock. That thing just snaps right back. Wow. Look at that. That is sweet. Bucklite. Alright. That's so cool. Got a hole punch here. Got the container right here for the punches. Cool. And we got some steel rings. Cool. Oh wow. I'm seeing something I really like right here. Look at that. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love that green color. Trying to read the name on here. Hard to read the name right here, right now, but I'll take a closer look later. But that is a pretty one. What is this here? Is that a... Oh, it's a whistle. Like a homemade whistle. Yep. That's cool. Alright, Bill Elliott Jr. Johnson. Looks like some vintage cards here. Cool. Alright, let's see what else we got. Oh, wow. Let's open this up. Like a key fob knife. Something a little handy to put on the keychain there. That's cool. Thank you, Roger. Oh, yes. Flashlight. Awesome. I actually need another flashlight. That is so cool. Oh, man, yes. This thing looks like it works good. I love these little flashlights. Wow, that is cool. Thank you, Roger. Yeah, that's so cool. Crescent. Crescent Tool Co. Jamestown, New York, USA. That's a neat one. I like it. Got a little keychain here. Argosy. Never heard of that before. Huh. Cool. Got a little clip here. This is a Zippo. That is cool. Do your fingernails here. Mechanical surface. Got a little artwork on there. That's neat. Oh, look at this guy. Wow. That is kind of cool. Little tiny old lockback. It's got a good snap to it. Got a strange marking on there. Maybe it's looks kind of handmade, you know. Looks well made. That marking is different. That is neat. That is really cool. I've got another little bag here full of stuff. Alright, let's move this box out of the way. I appreciate it all, Roger. Thank you so much. Got some, looks like some bike wrenches, some old bike wrenches here. Yeah. Now this one's interesting. It says Musselman Universal Bicycle Wrench. That is cool. I have to do some research on that and see what I can come up with. Musselman. Okay. Very neat. Okay. Got an equal end. I don't know if this is probably a scout knife. Yeah, a scout knife. Needs to be a little loose, needs to be tightened up. Let's see if we can find a maker's mark on here. That looks like, what is that? I wish I could see. You guys can probably see it better than I can right there, but I can't read it from here. Yeah, I'll have to look into that. I'll put it in the notes below. And also got a few other things here. Pittsburgh plate and glass, little paint can opener. Thank you, Roger, so much. And you know, if you guys check out Roger's YouTube channel, Thatspapsknife63. I'll put a link below. Thank you so much, Roger. I really appreciate it. It's been really fun, and I'll talk to you guys later, and take care. All right, bye.